Hey everyone, we've already worked with mixed numbers to improper fractions. Our next step is to do improper fraction to mixed numbers. So it's kind of the same, it's just backwards. It's the opposite of what we did earlier. So let's go ahead and look at an improper fraction. So my improper fraction could be 5/3. Remember, improper fraction has a bigger numerator than the denominator. We know the numerator is at the top and the denominator is at the bottom. So I have 5/3. I want to make it into a mixed number. Remember, my mixed number is going to have a whole number and a fraction. So my first step is to figure out what my denominator is. It's 3, so that means I'm going to have everything divided into thirds. So I have 5/3. So I'm going to go ahead and do 5/3. Just like it says, I'm going to draw 1/3 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to draw 1/3 5 times. So now I have to think about how many thirds do I need to make up a whole. And we know to make up a whole, it has to have the same numerator and denominator. So 3/3 would be one whole. So that means I'm going to need a circle. I need 3 of these to make a whole. So I'm going to circle 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I have one whole. Oh, and I don't have another one, so it means I'm just going to have one whole this time. Now I need to figure out the fraction. So I have my whole counted. Now I need to figure out how many are on the outside. So I have 1, 2. So my numerator is going to be 2. My denominator is going to stay the same, so it's going to be thirds. So 5/3 into a mixed number is 1 and 2/3. So let's do another example to help us out. All right, let's try another example. So if I have 10/4, I want to make it into a mixed number. So I have 10/4. That means I'm going to draw 1/4 because it's going to be my unit fraction. So 1/4, I'm going to write it down 10 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm going to make sure I have 10 of them. I'm just going to count them to make sure I didn't miss one because I don't want to get the wrong answer. So I need to have 10/4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. So now I need to think about how many fourths do I need to make up a whole. We know to make a whole we have to have the same numerator and the same denominator. So 4/4 equals one whole. That means I'm going to circle 4 of these at a time. So 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, let's see if I can do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, let's see if I can do it one more time. 1, 2. I can't, so that means I'm only going to have 2 wholes this time. So that means my whole number is going to be 2. And then I'm going to write how many are left over on the outside. So I know for my fraction, my denominator is going to stay the same. It's going to stay 4. Now I just got to count how many aren't in my whole. So I have 1, 2. So 2 and 2/4 is the mixed number for 10/4. Alright, if you guys have any questions when trying to do these, please let me know and I can go ahead and help you.